So guys, today what I am going to be making is some black charcoal activated toothpaste. And the benefits of using that, guys, it whitens your teeth, it make your enamel stronger, it freshens your back breath. There's a lot of benefits from using black charcoal activated toothpaste, and I ran out of it. I buy it, but I ran out of it, wasn't able to find it. So I always have black charcoal uh, activated powder because I make soap. So you just put your toothpaste in there, however much you want to put in there. Okay. And if you got sensitive teeth, guys, use your Sensodyne. You can use any type of toothpaste you like. And then I am going to take that much of charcoal activator and put it in there because a little goes a long way. And then I'm going to stir it up. And when I brush my teeth, this is what I'm going to use to brush my teeth. And you guys are going to love the benefits of this black charcoal activated toothpaste. You'll never go back to your traditional toothpaste, and your teeth will feel so healthy and so white. And so that's pretty much what it'll look like, guys. And it's ready to go. You'll put it in your bathroom and brush your teeth with it, and you guys will love it. So a little goes a long way, guys. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So thank you guys so much, and you guys have a awesome day, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, I always try to show you guys the proof is in the pudding. There go the actual proof about the black charcoal activator, how it works. You can Google it, and these are images of other people that use it as well, before and after. And I don't make mines that thick and black because sometimes it's hard to get the charcoal off your teeth. It gets stuck in little particles. Thank you, guys.